Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. Hope you're all okay. Lovely morning today. Sun's shining, birds are singing, the church bells are going, so yeah, lovely. Anyway, just wanted to come on to share another journal with you. Currently I'm knocking these out about one every other day, so yeah. I don't know if I'll be able to get enough made for Christmas to do a Christmas fair or not. Probably not. I will probably wait till next year now, because I wanted to make some photo albums and things as well. But yeah, just wanted to come on quickly and share this with you. So let's move that out of the way. So this is the Grunge Clocks collection that I got off of Etsy. Again, I will leave the link down below if anyone's interested. Used a plain piece of paper on a computer and just put make each day a day to remember on there, and then cut that out, backed it on black and put that on there. Again, one of my borders down the edge. The side is just the back spine is just simple, so if you want to remove the inserts then you can. The back is just simple, border down the sides, and my little tag on the bottom there. So these are gorgeous papers. Simple ribbon closure again. So let's have a look what we got. In this one I decided to, I'm trying to get the camera in a place, or get myself in a place where you can see it better on the camera. I decided to make a little bit on here with the magnet closure on it. I wanted to do something a little bit different in the front of this one, so that opens out as an envelope there with a couple of little, sorry guys, trying to hold it with one hand and sort out with the other hand. There's a couple of nice little tags in there. As you can see, it was one complete picture, and I've just cut it into two to make two little tags to go inside the envelope there, and they just slide in there like so. That has got no fastener on it because these hold it all together. And then I didn't stick the whole pocket down, I just the envelope, I didn't stuck it around the edges to create a pocket on there. So all these actually come out of there, and that's used as another little storage place for and then I printed a few of these out, so these could be like journaling spots, and just printed a plain piece on the back. Gorgeous picture now, and then that gorgeous one. Again, all of these are printed on the backs of, so I won't bother wasting your time showing you all them. And we have the butterfly one on there, and then a couple of the little clock one. And one with the flowers on there. See, they all slip in that little pocket, and then that just, oh, got that one in the way. I wondered why it wasn't closing. And then that just snaps it over the top like so. Here I just made one of my little bookmarks with a magnet on, so that can be sort of stuck in there anywhere. And I just stuck it on the first page for now. So on the backs of these I printed lined journal paper, so you can actually use it to write on. You can draw pictures or whatever, or write on the plain ones. I stuck little pictures in the corners of them. One down the edge of there, I put these ones in between. A couple of journal pages. This is a little envelope there. I'm trying to turn the pages so you can see. That's so I say there should be 2 there. Again, I just put these picture ones in between now and again to brighten it up a little bit. Another little picture down on that corner there. Little tuck spot in there with a little bookmark in there as well. Try to kind of make like each page with a picture or something on, just to brighten it up a bit. Another little pocket stuck on that one. Lovely picture. Another little pocket stuck on that page. Just put a little tag bit in there. A picture on there. Another gorgeous picture. Used a paper clip, put another envelope on there. I just held a few pages together. That one on there. A couple of lined pieces. Another gorgeous picture. That one on there. Big pocket in the middle. You can hide some secrets in there. Oh, say hello to my daughter and her new baby. This is Chica, guys. She's absolutely gorgeous and she's such a good baby. Ain't you, sweetie? Mwah. We've got another one here. A paper clip with some little bits on. Another little tuck spot here with a couple of writing spots on. Another gorgeous picture. Oh, that's actually hurting my arm now. It's getting a bit heavy, so hope you can see them okay. Another envelope on there. A little journal spot on the back of that one. Another beautiful picture on there. A pattern piece on there. There's another little tuck spot there, little corner pocket should I say, with another bookmark in there. Another printed piece. These are, I don't know if you can see that very well. These have actually got like a very faint print on them. I think they're quite stunning. So I thought I'd use those in this to, you know, just brighten it up, something different in there. Another gorgeous little picture in the corner. Another little envelope on there. Another little envelope there. Lovely picture on that one. Little clock stuck in the corner of that one. And gorgeous picture on the back of that. And then on this back side of the journal, I just created 2 little flaps with pockets in. So that's the first flap. That opens up that way. That's the second flap that opens up that way, and I thought I would leave that plain, and I just put a place picture here, place photo here, and then these are 2 little pockets, and there's a bigger card in there as well, but that's quite tight in there, so I'm not going to bother pulling that one out. And the same on this side, there's another little pocket on that side, and then they just close over like so. Beautiful pictures on them, and that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that one. And that just ties up on the side there. Very quickly running out of seam binding doing all these, and I'm not a lover of the natural ribbon because it doesn't stay closed as well. It's very silky because I've only got the satin ribbon left, and it does, see, look, it doesn't want to close properly. I'll do that up properly in a minute. But yeah, need to order some more seam binding and stuff. I have got, I'm currently working on making an album at the moment, so we'll have that one coming up shortly. I have another Temu haul, some crafting essentials, I would call them, things like trimmers and punches and things like that. So I wanted to order them cheaply, and do a video with you guys. We can test them out and see what they're like. So I'm just waiting for them bits to come and then we can do that. I've got a couple of them here, but it's not worth just showing you one or two bits. We might as well wait for the rest of it to come. So yeah, as I said, please leave a like, please comment, please leave a thumbs up, you know, please guys, it's all I ask. There's so many of you watching at the moment, but not a lot of you are just, you know, just click that thumbs up bell please, and you know, subscribe if you're not already and you enjoy what you're seeing. I have, I don't know if I mentioned it in the last video, I'm waiting for some grey board to come because I want to make another IKEA Kallax storage system. So I'm waiting for that to come so I can finish that as well. So at the moment we have about 3 or 4 different projects on the go, but I'm waiting for bits to come to be able to finish them. So yeah, on to making the photo album, probably another journal while I'm waiting for them bits to come. But I hope you've enjoyed that, guys. Have a lovely day whatever you're doing, and I will speak to you guys again real soon. Mwah. Love for now. Bye bye.